Welcome back, everyone. This is just a public service announcement to all of you who are on the fence about buying Affinity Photo, designer and/or publisher. Affinity is currently running a Black Friday sale. Everything is 50%. This includes all 3 apps and everything in the add-on store. Just go to affinity.serif.com. Affinity Photo, designer and publisher are now just $34.99 each for the Mac and Windows versions and just $9.29 for iPad. And the entire Affinity version 2 bundle is just $82.99. Also, if you click on the add-on tab at the top of their website, you can see that there are a number of amazing brushes, patterns, fonts, textures, and assets that you can purchase. These are all 50% off too. I think I'm going to buy this one. 102 lightning brushes by X-Resh. I think adding a touch of lightning to some of my projects would be super cool, and this looks like a pretty good deal for only $7 US. I'll make a video on how I decided to use it in the very near future. Anyway, I just thought I would let you know that if you haven't done so already, now's the time to buy. I doubt any of this will get cheaper. Have a great day, everyone.